Introduction. Computer networking refers to the process of connecting two or more computers so that they can share data, resources, and information. Networking has become an essential part of modern businesses and organizations, allowing them to improve communication, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. This essay aims to explore computer networking in detail by discussing its history, types, architectures, protocols, and emerging technologies. History of computer networking. The history of computer networking dates back to the 1960s when the U.S. Department of Defense initiated the ARPANET project, which aimed to create a packet switching network that could connect computers at universities and research institutions. The earliest version of the Internet used the TCP/IP protocol suite, which allowed computers from different networks to communicate with one another. During the 1980s, Ethernet technology emerged as a popular choice for local area networks, LANs, allowing businesses and organizations to connect their computers and devices within a localized area. In the 1990s, the World Wide Web was created, which revolutionized the way people accessed and shared information. The early 2000s witnessed the emergence of wireless networking technologies, enabling users to connect to the Internet and share data without the need for physical cables. Types of computer networks. There are various types of computer networks, each designed for a specific purpose and location. Here are the most common types of networks. 1. Local area networks, LANs. A LAN is a network that connects computers and devices within a localized area, such as a home, office, or building. LANs typically use Ethernet technology and can be wired or wireless. 2. Wide area networks, WANs. A WAN is a network that connects computers and devices across large geographic areas, such as different regions, countries, or continents. WANs typically use the Internet or leased lines to connect remote sites. 3. Metropolitan Area Networks, MANs. A MAN is a network that connects computers and devices within a city or metropolitan area. MANs typically use high-speed fiber optic cables and can be used to connect multiple LANs. 4. Storage Area Networks, SONs. A SAN is a specialized network that is used to connect storage devices, such as storage area network switches and storage area network controllers. SONs allow data to be shared and accessed across different servers and applications. 5. Virtual Private Networks, VPNs. A VPN is a network that allows users to access a private network over a public network, such as the Internet. VPNs create a secure connection between the user's device and the remote network, allowing users to access resources and data as if they were connected directly to the private network. Network architectures. Network architecture refers to the design and layout of a network, including its physical and logical components. There are various types of network architectures, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Here are 3 common types. 1. Peer-to-peer, P2P, network architecture. In a P2P network, each computer acts as both a client and server, allowing users to share data and resources directly with one another. P2P networks are easy to set up, but can be vulnerable to security threats due to their decentralized nature. 2. Client-server network architecture. In a client-server network architecture, one computer acts as a server, and other computers act as clients to access shared resources. This architecture is commonly used in LAN and WAN networks and offers a central point of control and better security. 3. Cloud network architecture. A cloud network architecture refers to a network that is deployed as a service over the Internet, allowing users to access resources and data from anywhere. Cloud architecture is becoming increasingly popular due to its flexibility, scalability, and reduced costs. Network protocols. Network protocols refer to the set of rules and standards that govern the way data is transmitted and received over a network. Here are the most common network protocols. 1. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a set of protocols that allows computers to communicate with one another over the Internet. TCP is responsible for breaking down data into packets and ensuring reliable delivery, while IP is responsible for routing packets to the correct destination. 2. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. HTTP is a protocol that allows web servers to communicate with web browsers, allowing users to access and view web pages. 3. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. SMTP is a protocol that is used to send and receive email messages over a network. Emerging technologies in computer networking. The field of computer networking is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging every year. Here are some of the most promising new technologies. 1. Software-Defined Networking, SDN. SDN refers to a new approach to networking that allows networks to be managed and controlled through software rather than hardware. This technology is becoming increasingly popular due to its flexibility, scalability, and reduced costs. 2. 5G networking. 5G refers to the fifth generation of wireless networking technology, which promises to provide faster speeds, lower latency, and increased connectivity. 5G is expected to revolutionize the way people access and share data, with applications in areas like autonomous vehicles, telemedicine, and virtual and augmented reality. 3. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things refers to the network of devices, appliances, and machines that can connect to the Internet and share data with one another. IoT is expected to transform various industries, including healthcare, transportation, and energy. Conclusion. In conclusion, computer networking has come a long way since the early days of ARPANET. Today, it is an essential part of modern businesses and organizations, enabling them to communicate, share data, and collaborate in real time. There are various types of networks and architectures, each with its advantages and disadvantages. The emergence of new technologies like 5G, IoT, and SDN promises to revolutionize the way people access and share information in the future. Understanding the basics of computer networking is essential for anyone looking to work in IT, software development, or network engineering.